Hello, my name is Fran Rodriguez, and during the day, I'm a senior program officer with the Lancaster County Community Foundation. Me llamo Fran Rodriguez. Por el día, trabajo en el Lancaster County Community Foundation y después de las horas de trabajo, me gusta estar en la comunidad. When COVID-19 arrived in our community, it was a couple of days after my birthday, March 11th, and I remember the team huddling, thinking about what are we going to do next. And we quickly decided that we would be working remotely. And I was the first one to begin that process. I'm currently in my second year of surviving lung cancer. And during that time, I was still somewhat getting acclimated to being at work. So it was really hard. You never really know when your superpower, your resilience is going to come through for you until you're facing a moment of darkness. And COVID-19 was that moment for me. I needed to remain optimistic and healthy. I really felt that my community was counting on me. And because of that, I built up this, kind of hopeful way of living every single day. Our community foundation was not prepared for what happened, obviously, but we knew precisely what to do in terms of identifying dollars from the really generous donors in our community, and the Lancaster Cares Fund was established. People of color have faced many atrocities for centuries, right? And so Black and brown people in Lancaster, I have been urging friends and acquaintances in the community that this is the right time to step forward and get vaccinated, not only for yourself, but also for family members and for the community at large. This year was, I think, an added layer of shock. My older sister, Lydia, who lives in Atlanta, I hadn't seen her in maybe 5 years. I get a call that she's in the ICU, and then 2 days later, she was on a ventilator. You believe it, but you don't really know the impact of this pandemic until someone that close passes away. It's definitely real. Union Community Care had that day of healing at Longs Park, and it must have been 100 degrees outside. But I felt that was my ability to mourn Lydia and to say goodbye and to have a moment for her. This is a time for our communities to come together. There is no space for thinking about oneself. This thing is so much bigger than us, and it's only by way of working together that we're going to see this through. Get vaccinated.